So hello guys, in this video I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide on how you can make up to $600 plus every single month through Facebook ad on Reels. Now ad on Reels is one of the most easiest ways to actually make money off the Facebook platform because they don't even require you to create your own content, as I'll be sharing with you a step-by-step guide on how you can use other people's content strategically without getting copyrighted or anything. So if you need more videos like this and you like this particular video, then help me do the YouTube business by smashing on that subscribe button, like this video, and also tell me what you feel down in the comment section. Now, with this already said, let's get straight into today's video. Let me share with you a step-by-step guide on how you can actually make up to $600 plus every single month through Facebook ad on Reels by using other people's content for 100% free. So let's get straight into today's video. So hello guys, now that you're on my screen, let's get straight. Let me share with you every single thing you need to know in order to start making money with Facebook Reels, as I already said in the intro. Now there are some things you need to put in mind when you need to get started. The first thing is that you need to create a monetizable Facebook page. And in my own case, here's my page here known as Perez Talk. This is a page where I used to do all my tutorials, even though I have other pages that are already monetized. Those ones are monetized, so I can't use them for tutorials anymore. So this is a page I'm going to use for this particular video. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to create a page that is worth monetizing. And in case you don't know how to create a monetizable Facebook page, then I'll be dropping a link in this video description. Do well to check that out. Now that on the side, so I'm assuming you already have a page created already. Now after creating your page, the next thing you need to do is that you need to get the videos in which you want to actually come and post over here on Facebook to monetize through Reels. So for that, we'll come over here and then we'll go over to TikTok. Now the truth is that whatever thing I'm sharing here with you can also be done on your mobile phone. So I'm doing it on a laptop doesn't necessarily mean you can't do it on your phone. You can actually do it. The reason why I do it on the laptop is that doing it on the laptop will make it a bit faster for me and also make it more easier and straightforward. That's why I normally go with the laptop over the phone in most of my tutorials. But at the end of the day, every single thing I'm sharing with you can also be done on your mobile phone. Now next up here where it says search. Now you simply search for some trending videos. So you simply look at videos that are trending and then try to gather them. So for example, I'm just going to go with funny trending videos because I normally like using funny videos in my own scenario, because when you're using funny videos, it becomes easier without you having to stress yourself. Now once you come over here, now you simply look through the videos that are available right here on the platform. So let's take a look at the ones with the most engagement. This one's swallowing a cucumber to see my husband's reaction. This one has 6.7 million views. This one seems like a guy sleeping in a church with over 24.7 million views. And then so you simply look at the ones that has the most engagement, the most views, and you simply get those ones. So for example, I'm going to make use of this one in this particular video. So what I simply do is I simply click on it like this. Once you click on it like this, the next step is simply you click on where it says copy link. So once you click on the copy link like this, the link will be copied. Now after the link is copied, you simply come over to your browser and then you search for this website called Snaptic. So this website actually allows you to save TikTok videos without having a watermark on them. You simply come over here, they paste the TikTok link, and then you hit on the download button. And now the video will be done. Once you come here like this, next up you simply hit where it says download video. Now once you click on it, the video will be downloaded into your system. Now this is simply it. Now remember, the first step you need to do is simply create a page that is qualified for monetization. Secondly, you come and get your videos on TikTok. The reason why we are using TikTok videos is that that's one of the platforms that allows you to download videos legally and also allows you to use your videos without any form of copyright claim or anything related to it. Now once you come over there, remember the third tip is simply you search for videos depending on what you want to do. So in my own case, I want to react to funny trending videos. So what I have to do is I have to download a trending video, a funny video that's actually trending. In this case, this one has gotten over 24 million views, which simply means that what there is high interest in that particular video. Now once you get the video, we'll move over to the next step. Now in this particular step, you need to make a recorded version of yourself. So what you simply have to do is that what, like for example, let me show you the one I did of myself to show you example of what you need to do. Now let me look for it right here. I believe this is it right here. Okay, no, this is not it. This should be it then. Now, this is just a short video clip of myself. I'm not saying anything. I'm just pointing hands and then just sitting right there, doing literally nothing. The reason why you're doing this is that you just want to add a little bit modification to the actual video itself before publishing it onto Facebook, so it doesn't look like what you just grab your videos on TikTok and then brought over to Facebook. Now, with this approach, the video must not be taken from TikTok alone. You can get this video from any platform out there. Now I'm assuming that what you've gotten your video from TikTok, you've recorded a short clip of yourself, and the benefit is that you don't have to record a clip every single time you want to do a video. You can record one clip and then use it over and over again. I'm going to share that tip right now with you. So now let's say you are done with every other step. Now we are moving on to the final, then close to the final stage, which is in this stage we are actually going to get our video editor into the game, which is by downloading TikTok video editor. Now I'll be using TikTok on my desktop. You can use it on your mobile phone or whatever platform you want to use. You can go with TikTok. So next up, simply click on where it says new project. Now once you click on it, you simply have to give it some time to actually load up. Now it might be a bit faster on my device, not for every single device. It depends on your device information. So now next up is simply I'll import the video I downloaded and that of myself that I recorded. So here is a downloaded video. Here you can see it right here, and then here is a video of myself. Now I'll just add both like this. Now next up you simply have to do is that simply drag the actual video you want to show the people right down here. Now if you are using CapCut on desktop, once you import in videos like this, you realize that it comes with both clip at the same time. So what I usually do is I'll click away, and then before I'll drag it back in again. I'll just get it right in here. Now you can simply watch the video to see how it is. So let me just watch the video. Now I'll just start it from here. Since the video is a bit longer than my actual video, I'll just cut out some seconds out of it to make sure they meet at almost the same point. Okay. Now after this, next up is simply import in your video that you recorded of yourself. Just drag it over the actual video like this. Now once you drag it over the actual video, next up is you can simply minimize it like this and then keep it at one side. Now in most cases you realize that not the full video you recorded will be useful. Like in my own case, you can see there's a lot of space at the top there. You can see there's a lot of space over there. So what I can simply do, I can simply use the crop right here. Now I'm going to crop this part off like this, and I'm also going, then after that I'll click on confirm. Now you can see that the video has been cropped, meaning that there will be some space left. Now I can minimize it a little bit more and then just keep it on the side here like this. Now let's play it and see what we've done. So yeah, you can see that my face is right here. I'm not obstructing the actual video itself. People will watch what they want to watch and then see whatever thing they want to see, whilst my face is just down here. Now this is simply what you are doing and nothing more and nothing less. You see, as simple, as easy as this. Now once you're done with this, next up is simply you can just download the video. You can just export the video from your CapCut. So now let me just align this a little bit. Now next up is simply hit on the export right here on your CapCut. Just click on export and then put in the name here. Like for example, I can say stop sleeping in church. Pretty much this simple. And then hit on the export button. Now the video will be exported very fast. Now this is one thing I love about CapCut. They export your videos really fast and simple. Now after this, you just come over to your Facebook page that you created. Like for me, let me come over to Facebook. Now I'll just come over to Meta Business Suite because I like posting from my main dashboard itself. even though I don't post videos on this page consistently. Okay, let me switch over to that page. I have a lot of pages, so where is the page? Here is it, Perez Talk. So over here you can see I have 28,000 followers on it, 28,400. Now next up, I'll simply click on where it says create reel. Now once I click on create reel, next up I'll simply grab the video over here. So where is that video? So okay, I even made two versions of the video. This was the first one I edited earlier on, so I just use same video twice right now. Now let me go with this one also. So here's the first one I edited. I'm just going to add it to my story as well, just a way to promote it. Now I can just come over here. Let me just come over to Facebook. That will be way more easier and better. Come over to Facebook. So I'll just click on leave. Now here's a video on my page right here. Coming back. I want to speak to somebody.